and filed that
The what?
particular day.
The what was served?
The writ of summons and statement
Really?
of facts.
Are you sure? Writ of summons?
Yes. They were
No, I
filed.
have the wrong file here. I don't have
The
a writ of summons in this file.
Why?
You have your file with you?
Yes, I have my file with me. Very well.
And it is writ of summons?
I have the originating processes with me.
Yes. And your originating process is a writ of summons?
No, my lord, sorry, the statement of facts.
No, the originating process first.
Form of complaint, general form of complaint, or that 3
Okay.
rule 1.
Thank you.
Thank you, my
Thank
lord,
you.
for the hint.
And all accompanying processes.
Yes, it was dated 23rd July and filed that same day.
Dated and filed 23rd July 20. Were served.
And they were served on 27/08/2020 on all the 6 defendants personally.
On 27 what?
27/08.
27 August.
08, yes. 2020.
August.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Then the memorandum of appearance was dated 27/08/2020 and filed
Please
same.
remove this 08 and use August for me.
Okay. Sorry, my lord. Memorandum of appearance was dated 27th August.
All the defendants.
Yes.
Entered a memorandum of appearance by their counsel.
Yes,
Who?
my lord.
Their counsel who?
Olugbenga Daniel Olawole.
On what date?
27th August 2020.
No, 28.
I have 27th. Yeah.
28. His own is dated, he dated it 27th, but the day he filed it in court is 28th.
Yes, day he filed it is 28th, my lord. Thank you, my lord. Yes.
Did you know the filing date you are supposed to tell me?
I'm so sorry, my lord.
Thank you. 2020, yes. After then, what happened?
The amendment statement of facts.
Amended.
Yes, amendment statement of facts. Additional statement on oath, which was dated 26th October. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Our amended.
The claimant, yes, the claimant amended statement of facts.
Yes.
It was dated 26th October and filed same day.
Dated and filed 26 October
2020, and they were duly served on the defendant.
You are served on defendants or on defendants counsel?
On the defendant's counsel, my lord. Thank you for the hint.
On what date?
On the 26th October.
No. 17th November.
17th.
Motion by the manufacturer is 17th November. My own file says 17th November.
Oh. Oh.
17th November 2020. Yes. Thereafter,
my
you
lord.
find another motion.
Yes, my lord. We've had a motion on 14th January 2022.
That is motion for what?
That motion was for judgment, my lord.
That amendment, this thing enter the file before the originating. These people will just confuse somebody's confusion. Chief, okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay, and my lord, several adjournments have been.
Our motion for summary judgment.
Yes, my lord.
Summary judgment.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Which was dated 14th January and filed same day.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord.
You are losing track. You are losing track. The motion for summary judgment.
We filed one, my lord. We withdraw it. We filed one according to the old rules that he told me to go and redo.
Let's talk about the current one, the one you want to move.
The current one I want to move is for judgment in default of filing processes in defense of the action.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
That one was 5th October 2021. Isn't it?
Yeah, but it was withdrawn, my lord. Yes. It was withdrawn upon the hint of the court that very day.
So the extant motion is for what?
Is for order for judgment in default of filing process in defense of the action.
For judgment in default of defense.
Yes, my lord.
It is dated.
It's dated 14th January.
Dated and filed 14th January
2022. Yes, it was filed same day.
Yes, it was served when?
It was served on them.
Not them, on council.
It was the bailiff that served, so it should be.
It was served on them. I say it was served on council.
Yes, yes, my lord, yes.
And that was on 18th January 2022. Okay. You have taken me through the entire file.
Yes.
So let me hear you know what you want.
My lord, most importantly, several adjournments have been made on their instances.
It's on my record.
Yes, thank you, my lord. So, with the kind permission of the court,
apart from filing
memorandum of appearance.
Memorandum of appearance.
Yes,
they have never appeared.
Yes, my lord. And there is no even a move to settle. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is the 7th day.
Yes, my lord.
The seventh time the court is sitting.
Yes. And upon the rules of court, they are entitled to just 3. And they are on 7.
Rules of court 3. Which rules? Or the what rule? What says 3?
No, my lord, I'm not saying on a lighter way that the sentence is
Or the
entitled
what
to
rule?
3
What rule?
judgments.
What says 3? Because the one in my own memory is 2.
Okay, 2, my lord. So I help them to add 1.
You are very magnanimous to add 1 for them.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes. So what do you want to do now?
I want to ask with the kind permission of God if I can move my motion.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes. The motion on notice, my lord, which is dated 14th January 2022.
Yes.
And filed same day.
Yes.
And it's brought pursuant to the Order 9 Rule 5.
Yes.
And Order 17 Rule 1.
Yes.
Of the National Industrial Court Rules.
Yes.
2017.
Yes.
My lord, we are praying for the following orders.
Yes.
An order for judgment in default of filing processes in defense of the action.
Yes.
In favor of the claimant, stroke applicant.
Go on.
And against the defendant, responded jointly and severally.
Yes.
For the sum of 3,800,000 naira only.
Yes.
With
This
the
25% interest
yes, my lord.
From 14th April 2015 to the date of judgment.
Yes,
And,
my lord.
And then there is a 10% rate of interest from date of judgment. Is it in your amended?
Yes, my lord. It is, my lord. Let me.
Your amended prayers is.
Let me look for it. My lord, I have it at paragraph 22 of my amended. Okay. Yes, my lord. Paragraph 22, Roman figure 1.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. And Roman figure 2.
Okay.
And 3. Yes, my lord.
So you move in terms.
Most obliged, my lord. My lord, we humbly move in terms of the motion on notice, and we urge the court.
Yes, briefly. I understand 10% post-judgment interest.
Yes.
Can you justify this 25% pre-judgment interest? Was it part of the contract?
My lord, it was because apparently the legal retainership for 2014 and 2015 years with 25% rate of interest.
That is or lead me to the paragraph that talks about this 25% interest. Which paragraph of the statement of facts talked about this 25% interest, prejudgment interest?
Okay. My lord, if you look at paragraph 12 or better still, let's say from paragraph 10, where
Read,
the
read
legal
paragraph 10
retainership.
to 12.
Yes. Paragraph 10 says the legal retainership was renewable since 1995, and the last renewal was 06/05/2013 with annual fees of 250,000 naira only for the period of 2014 and 2015. And the sum was not paid before the termination of the legal retainership through a letter dated 14/04/2015, but received so time. The claimant adds that before the time his termination letter was sent, the 250,000 naira was always paid in lump sum and not on pro rata basis. Now, the claimant relying on the long practice of lump sum payment from 1995 to 2013 advised that the title sum of 500,000 naira only for 2014 and 2015 with interest.
Yes. Yes. So which paragraph talks about this amount was supposed to be attracting 25% interest?
Okay. We have a place that paragraph 18.
Okay.
At the end of it, where it is written that all these letters are demand notices for the bill on the case AK 115/2013 of 2.5 million naira and 2 years retainership of 500,000. That was the demand letter that we wrote to the defendant.
Not your demand letter, the contracts, the agreement between you and the defendants, between the claimant and the defendants, that they were supposed to pay him 25% on what amount? You just show me that, I'll grant it. But if there was no prior agreement about that 25%, then I am afraid I will not be confident.
If you look at it, there was a particular in our pleadings where in the statement of fact, there was a place we wrote that a letter dated 08/05/27 under the hands and signature of Opiola be promising payment of outstanding fees that 2.5 million naira with the 2 years retainership fees will be paid.
Is that letter of demand a contract? I'm talking about the contract, the agreement between the claimant and the defendants about payment of 25% interest on whatever amount. And then you are supposed to have calculated it. Your pleading should have shown me so amount was outstanding by paragraph so of so agreement. It was to attract 25% interest, and they have not paid up to date. The 25% interest is so amount. Then at this level that you are just moving by motion, I could grant it.
Okay.
So you choose. I'm not going to grant that 25% from the state of your pleadings. So you choose. Either you will abandon what you are doing now so that you prove that 25%, or you give it up and just get your 10% interest. I understand this is default of pleadings, but even in default of pleadings, I am not very sure if I can grant you what is apparently not grantable. I am not very sure about that.
My lord, in as much as I'm still very young at the back, I don't know if I can plead the court for just 2 seconds.
To do what?
To
consult with your client?
Yes.
Okay, I give you stand down 5 minutes.
I'm most obliged. I'm most obliged.
Thank you very much. You can switch off your video. Switch off your video. and mute your mic. Good. When you are giving judgment one side, you also have to look very well and be sure that it is justice that can stand on its feet anywhere. Yes, call this matter. First,
second,
mhm.
fourth, and fifth claimants present.